Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2012 Honda NC700 Integra. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Right, let's go in for a closer look at this Honda. Does come with a spare key. It's also got ABS. It does have heated grips on this as well. That have been added to it. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike for you. This is in a metallic black and burgundy. Let's get a look at this left hand side front first. Let's get a look across the top. They are semi-automatic these, so you can use them as like a full auto, or you can change gear, but you don't need a clutch. You can see it has got a rack on the back there ready for a top box to be fitted. Let's get a look lower down at the condition of this. Little storage cubby hole there. Let's have a look underneath, as low down as we can get. I've got it on the centre stand here so we can see a bit better. On this side it does have a side stand as well. Let's get a look at the chain and sprocket and the back wheel. We'll move round to the back and look at the lights and the indicator. Look at it from the back. Let's get a good look over the top of the seat as well. Let's move over to this right hand side now. See on that side, it's your parking brake there, just on there. Let's get a look over at the back wheel and the back brake. Plenty left on those back pads. Let's get a look at the exhaust. And get a look at the panels low down. And we'll finish up at the front. What we'll do now, we'll go up and take a look at the controls and get the exact mileage for you. Right, let's have a look up at the controls. So you've got your front brake on there, that's your automatic transmission, manual transmission, so that switches between the two. Got your kill switch, that's your neutral, your two drive modes on there, so basically Once you start it up, it'll be in neutral, and then you just push that forward, it'll put it into gear, and it'll change between S and D on the drive modes. And there's your starter, your accelerator. Over on the other side, you've got your back brake, so you've got your plus at the top there, and your minus at the bottom, that's for changing gear. Then you've got your lights, your horn, hazard indicator, and you've also got R&G heated grips on this. So I'll turn the ignition on, and let's see what the miles are. As you can see, the miles are 25,020 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photographs, any videos, anything close up you want to see, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.